Updating your billing address on Zoom is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Zoom website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the billing information you want to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section in the left sidebar. Click on Billing to access your billing information. Step 3. Edit billing information. In the Billing section, look for the option to edit your billing address. Click on the Edit button next to your current billing address to make changes. Step 4. Enter new address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, click the Save button to confirm the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been updated successfully. Make sure to review your billing information periodically to keep everything up to date.